before the London Open, we have this range, we have the sell side and the buy side that was taken, and the market started gyrating here. We have this BC, that is extend 15-minute BC here, you see, to here extension. We have these that it's the properly BC, you see, and market trade here and disruptively going higher. And we have this as a CB, as trade starts gyrating inside this BC and this CB. We have a sell side prior opening, we have a sell side, but we will see better when I click there. Alright. The sell side, the buy side was taken, creating this sell side, one, these two, and these relative equal highs. Then we have to see this as a range, just a little bit like that. This is a relative equal highs that traded in this 15-minute CB prior open and start to gyrating, creating with this as a minor sell side, marking trade, leave the midnight opening range, creating these two, which is what, relative equal lows, traded up, getting where in this 15-minute CB, and traded down, taking the stops and rally to the new day opening gap, first to these relative equal highs. But let's just see it in the right mode. Just making this video because I want to see things happening again. Right after we can see we have this as a range, market came, we have a reversal right there, it's reverse. We have this 1-minute extension BC, traded up, traded in the 15-minute CB, fell to get the high and start to consolidate. Then we have that as a sell side. We have the opening inside the midnight opening range, traded down, going for what? For this sell side, which trading here become relative equal lows, getting where? Look how it fell to get the low of midnight opening range right there. It fell, getting inside what? This is 15-minute CB. This one traded there, they bought it in the second quadrant. Wick did the damage, fell, trading in the consequent encouragement of this 1-minute CB, fell to get there and trade where? To the low of this 15-minute, to the low of this 15-minute, rally down, get inside of this CB, trade, coming back, retest, fail to get the low of this CB, but was trading these or the block, as I see this one, and rally taking the relative equal lows and start to do what? Displace his eye, touching what? The consequent encouragement, fell to get again, but traded here and failed to get the and kiss the low of this 15-minute, traded down just to just to get this. Look at the bodies in this volume imbalance that they respect the low, and the wick did the damage but didn't take this. After that, price displays, create this further gap, trade it in. Look how it react to the low with the wick, and this is constant encroachment. And this is constant encroachment. Trade to constant encroachment again, but look, what is this? This is the low and disruptive high to what? To constant encroachment of midnight opening range. This happened, this move, this smooth interpretation of price I wanna obtain starts where? 3 o'clock to happen. All these I need to be good in reading this price. To the constant encroachment, coming back, retest, take the high, down, to the low of this further gap, and rally up, came to the high of the more, and down to where? To this reversal. To this beautiful reversal. Fell to get what? The constant encroachment of this 1 minute. The bodies are up and what? Rally up, creating these CB. CB where? In the consequent encroachment. We have a CB in consequent encroachment. We have relative equal highs. Marketing is trying to jump high. It broke what? This high of the midnight opening range. What you think will happen, man? It's probably a way to the market going up to catch the stops here in this area of relative equal highs. And look how it react beautiful after take this high, which is just a little bit with the midnight opening range high. It came back, traded this SIP, beautiful, retest the high, failed, the body stop where? Outside. And when it trade the 0.25, it traded there, the body's up and rally, creating what? Beautiful. Creating what? Beautiful. Beautiful. It's beautiful. I'll just extend the bodies, first quadrant, weak, traded in, rally, again, trade the order block, rally, come back to the high. That's after gyrating, respecting this beast, again, retesting, taking, and rally up. What? New week opening up, and is that? But the real move just to this is good, and we can see our price came to new day opening up was beautiful. What tell me that the price after do these will not come back and take my stop? I need to understand that. Not make price just like, man, now I'm going. Like now I will not come back, I'm going. I need to understand what is that, how to recognize that. Like, man, no, I'm not coming back, I'm going, man. I'm just going. That's something that make my head like, man, fuck, man. but I can't let myself believe that I can reach that thing I think that I can reach. Just have to start more and understand more, and practice more. That's the part, to practice more. Trade it down to the CB with somewhere there. The bodies are there. What is telling? It's like, man, I don't wanna come back. When it's doing this, trade it up, coming back, retest like this, it's telling I'm not coming back. Like this, only the weak